Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making banana oatmeal cookies with just 3 ingredients. These are simple, naturally sweet, and very easy to make. If you want to learn how I made this, then be sure to keep watching. So here are my ingredients: bananas, old-fashioned oats, and chocolate chips. For this recipe, you want your bananas to be very ripe. They should be heavily spotted or mostly brown, just like this. They should feel super soft and mash easily. Okay, riper bananas are going to add more moisture and natural sweetness to your cookies. It'll also help the dough to come together. You need about 2 to 2.5 ripe bananas, depending on their size. Next, add 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats. Do not use quick oats for this, okay? You want to use old-fashioned oats. They work best here because they will hold their texture as the cookies bake. Now, be sure to mix them well with the bananas so that they are all evenly coated. Now you're going to add 1/3 cups of chocolate chips for a little extra sweetness. Okay, and I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips, and as you can see, I'm just folding it in. Now at this point here, my dough felt a little dry, so I added about half of another banana to help it come together. This is how you want your dough to look after everything has been well mixed. It should be very soft and slightly sticky, which is perfectly normal. You do not need to refrigerate the dough. You can immediately start adding this to your baking sheet. Now, FYI, these cookies are not going to spread much as they bake, so you want to gently press them down so that they'll bake evenly. I was able to make a total of 9 cookies, and I baked them for 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and here they are. Okay. Now, since every oven is a little different, I do recommend you start checking your cookies at around 13 minutes. You're looking for the edges to be set and the centers to be soft. Okay, and these cookies were just that. They were soft, naturally sweet, and they came together with almost no effort. Like if a banana muffin and an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie were combined, this would be it. Okay, they are incredibly simple to make and perfect for a quick treat. I hope that you'll give these a try, and I hope that you'll love them as much as I did. As always, I thank you so much for your support. For more easy recipes like this, I will see you in my next one.